Welcome to rental property investing. Investing in 4-unit rental properties is a fantastic way to generate income and build wealth, but the right insurance is essential to protect your investment. Landlord Insurance covers property damage, liability claims, and lost rental income. To stay safe, insure for full replacement cost and aim for $1 million or more in liability coverage. Encourage or require tenants to get renters insurance. It protects their belongings, reduces disputes, and can even lower your insurance premiums. Lenders often require a debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, of 1.25 or higher for financing. Just like Anna and Sarah, use comprehensive insurance strategies to secure your investment and meet lender requirements. Insurance isn't just protection, it's peace of mind. Make sure your property and finances are secure so you can focus on growing your portfolio. Check out OfferMarket for tools and resources to grow your portfolio. Thank you.